If the brand new Nuobell S5100s can survive the hell we're about to put them through, then they might earn a spot in your home gym. If not, well, you know which brand not to buy. Let's get straight into it. Here we go. No, oh God, oh my goodness, oh. Here's how this is going to work. We're going to drop these dumbbells from different heights and under different conditions. We're gonna drop them on this gym flooring and on concrete, from overhead, from chest height, waist height, and from bench press height, because that's where most people need to drop dumbbells, right? And we'll see if they work. Oh, we'll also be looking at the aesthetics, right? How well this paint, this lovely matte black, Jesus Christ, matte black paint holds up. Let's do it. Our first test will be seated overhead press. Let's say I'm failing, just pretend with me here. I'm failing a seated overhead press and I need to dump the dumbbell so I don't crack myself in the damn head. Let's do it. We're doing this at 20 pounds. All right, I'll do 1 rep. I'll do 2 reps. I do 3. I do 4. Maybe that's why the weight is unevenly distributed, so it'll roll onto its bottom. I don't know. I'm just saying things, perhaps, but that is what just happened. That's interesting. All right, let's have a look at these and see. Let's get close on that. A few little scuffs and marks on the bottom. I am not expecting the paint to hold up very well during this. Let's also check and make sure the mechanism still works. And I still change the weight. 25, 30, yep, seems good. Up to 100, yep. Okay, let's try the other one out. A little scuffed on the bottom. Okay, all the way up to 100. All right, they survived. Test 1, pass. Yep. Next up, we have the deadlift test. I'm gonna go a little bit heavier at 50 pounds. These damn trucks keep stopping me from being great. I'm going heavier at 50 pounds. Again, pretend like this is heavy for me, because it isn't. Oh shit, maybe it is heavy for me. Got it. All right, let's do 3 reps. 1. I hope I don't lose a toe. 2. It's slipping. Rolling back onto the bottom. This one didn't roll this time. All right. Get over here, man. Come see this. Got it hold up again. We got a few scuff marks. Nothing too crazy. Paint chipped a little bit. Now for the real test, let's see if the mechanism still works. We're at 50. Let's go up to 100. Still good. Okay. Down to 5. Still good. All right. And the other one, oh shit. Oh. You almost witnessed my death just now. I could have died just now. Don't laugh at me. I'm trying to help you out and you're laughing at me nearly falling. 5, good. And 100. Still good. 2 tests down. And the Nuobells have held up so far. Let's keep it going. Next, test number 3, the bench press. By the way, this totally should have been test number 1. Sorry about that. because this is the most important one, and this is where people are gonna drop dumbbells probably the most frequently. You get pinned at the bottom of a dumbbell bench press, you can't get it up, and you need to bang, bang, dump the dumbbells. We're at 50 pounds. Let's see what happens. Again, we're pretending this is heavy for me. One, two, three. All right, see what happened. All right, and the real test, we're gonna put this back here. Does the mechanism still work? 5 up to 100. We're good. Other dumbbell. Five, 2, oh, what was that? Uh-oh. Still working. I was feeling a little, right between 80 and 85. It's not switching as smoothly, but going up to 100 feels fine. It's right there between 80 and 85. Ooh. Okay. Still, overall, they passed, but I think we're getting closer to ruining these permanently. Yeah. All right. So far, so good. Last test. For this one, we're gonna do a goblet squat. I'm gonna do it at 100 pounds. I'm gonna go to the bottom of the squat and then dump it from there. And we'll see how it holds up. And I have to do each dumbbell. Lord help me. All right, here we go. Oh, Christ. Bottom of the squat, and scuffs. Scuffs about the same as they were before. Let's get, okay, yeah. Oh man, it's I'm getting worn out, y'all. Official last one. For this one, I'm gonna drop it all the way from the top of the squat. The things I do for YouTube views. All right, here we go. I've stalled enough. Please don't fall on my foot, please God. 3, 2, 1. All right. Looks pretty good on the bottom. Scuffs ain't too bad. Now for the real tests, we're gonna see if both dumbbells still work. All the way back down to 5. Still works. 100. All the way back down to 5. Still works. Nuobell, well done. We put it through 4 drop tests on gym flooring. Now let's see if you can survive a little bit of concrete. This one will be more so of a scratch test to see how easily the paint is gonna come off. So we are still gonna drop it, and then we're gonna, you know, scrape it up a little bit. Let's do it. I'm just going with 15 pounds for these. Accompany me outside in the Caribbean heat. All right, I'm just gonna go from waist height. I hope y'all can hear still. Y'all can, Jesus Christ, I can't talk anymore. Still hear me in the wind. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no, look at that. Oh no. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is terrible. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. All right. Enough bullshitting. I would say, frankly, for pavement in this rough road here, that's actually pretty good. I think most of you at home will never drop on this kind of material, but it's good to see that the bottom of these held up fairly well and the paint held up fairly well and didn't completely come off on this. So if you're dropping them on your more smooth concrete floor at your at-home gym, these should be all right over the years. Okay, we put them through 5 different tests, and frankly, guys, I'm kind of shocked. I was fully expecting to break these. I really didn't even want to make this video because I want to keep these dumbbells long term, and I was scared I was going to absolutely destroy them doing this, but they held up and they still work. And even the paint, for the most part, after being scraped across pavement, still held up. So Nuobell S5100, 2 thumbs up, well done. Shout out to Nuobell. Again, Muscle Wiki 5 is our promo code for 5% off of these. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for listening. I'm Coach Ty with Muscle Wiki, and I will see you with the next one. Deuces.